Welcome back. We are now going to use ChatGPT in order to help us to write a script for our thank you page. So we're going to include some additional elements, and we're going to include the elements that we want the chatbot to consider. Now, once again, we are looking for information that we can use in order to help us with a blank page. We may or may not use all of the information that ChatGPT gives us, but we expect to be off to a good start with the information. So we are going to give the chatbot a prompt. As is the case with anything you want ChatGPT to do, the more information that you give it, the better the output it will give back to you. But again, we are using all of the information that we have created inside of this conversation in order to help the chatbot with this process. So now that we have written out our instructions, we are now going to click Enter. Now again, we may or may not like the full text that we receive back from the chatbot. Now in this case, we're going to ask the chatbot to rewrite this thank you page message, and we're going to make a change to it. So we've now added in some additional verbiage. We're now going to click Enter. Now it's at this point that we may need to take the text as we have it, as our query isn't fully clear to the chatbot exactly what we want. So we will work with the first draft of the thank you page and make the adjustment ourselves. But basically, you can give the chatbot instructions so that you can have information to keep you from having a blank page, and you can make any necessary adjustments according to your context. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.